We got roofed areas here for our vendors. Shout out my man Tito, gonna be entering.
Okay, here we go. I see what you're working with. I see what you're working with. That's my son, J Dub. All right, here we go. Yeah, that was hard. That was hard. That was hard. Whoa. I wasn't even going to do that one. I was going to do something else, but I just wanted to hear it on those speakers. You ready? What's up, Jersey City? GXP in the building. Must be stupid now, baby. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Can you do it? I'm not gonna be able to do it.
In honor of my father, Darryl Gardner, in honor of my mother, Deborah, I stand here.
Y'all heard Riggs and low get 'em. A lot of dudes want his shoes but can't fit 'em. Put the thing on them lames and whoever wanted with it before. Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. I know they bloodshot from drinking straight to rock and break it down. A lot of it's pouring, and then click. Y'all know who it is. Just a touch off the head, yo. Yeah. Check this. Yo. Let your peep my seeds. I ain't talking about blowing no trees or how many keys my peeps transport overseas. I'm dealing with these straight lace bootleg MCs. Line them up like they squatting on the government cheese. Face it, thinking you could. Folks can't find you. Joker, I hate you figure you could mess with the shady trooper. Ready to do it till you smack you with the German Ruger. Whoop whoop, just like that pimp. Pretty yo, real jokers feel me, so that's why they recognize the low. Ride the flow, but keep your distance from this lyricist. You really don't want to mess with this raging hell like the Exorcist, the best bitches. Who it be out of Black Dawn? Ring me along, fuck being calm. I drop bombs, it's going down, my nigga. Watch me blaze the track. Yeah, I mean what I say and I ain't taking it back. A lot of jokers think they testing the chill to Mr. Liquor, the rhyme ripper. Stick your live, you floating in the whenever I give a mic check. And just no mercy, no mercy. Say no mercy. Say no mercy. What up? Classic, 1990. I do what I like with. You see the rod in the heartbeat throb the truth. It's saying I ain't talking dynamite. Cool and Polly-Poo. I love the way you throw your body like a hula hoop. Did freeze like a, got me ready to shoot and disappear like poof. Yeah, cause ain't nothing else for us to do in here. You're friends with your and she's alone, let's show we care. And share a little bit, make a group out of a pair real quick. Without a doubt, girl, you got her like this. Yeah. This. No need in huffing, crying, fussing, and cussing. The brothers like you just be dropping a dime a dozen. The genocide needs to cease. Peace out to D1 and J Fox. May those brothers rest in. Yo, show all my peace that didn't liberty. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Bring you up and it can bring you down. And you easily be chicken when you can't be found. Believe me. And get you off the easy like the heat. I ain't joking. Getting that the bad cats are off it. And for the right price, show.
Yeah, what up, Jay City? It's your boy Just Putt.
Hey y'all.
Got your high heels.
It's aggravated, I'm finished off with an anticipating. Dilapidated, dramatic, saving in a glass container. The agitated, but calculated and rapid labor. Get out my way, I'm a panicator, you have to labor. Guide my aim for this weather, still make you Macarena. Then in the middle of Jersey City, me murder, plenty, tourniquets, burners, blinkies, thermocynthia, thermocynthia. I can look like candy when I'm stuck up with this handy. So my mom said we gon' make it up this hill, cause we got plenty of time, rhymes and memories to make. Yeah, you grew up in this hood, you said you love me, but you hate it. It's just a matter of fact, it's when you growing up black. And it's the same to see your brothers going savvy and back. I hate this feeling, I won't be killing, but it ain't for war. If I'm God, I hope I make it out this burning floor. I write a rhyme to keep me first, cause I can't do no more. And I remember all the time that I done broke the law. You wanna gas me, things from the Bible ain't teach me nothing wrong. How many times a brother dead before committing fraud? If we have props, they call us twins, so we gon' get them gone. And we got all this ice, but we don't like to show it all. Yeah, and you don't stop, this is spot to rock. Yeah, get it, you're in your whole spot. Yeah, and you don't stop, this is spot to rock. Yeah, we doing it for hip hop. Yeah, and you don't stop, this is spot to rock. Yeah, we doing it for hip hop. Yeah, and you don't stop. And it's 187 out here to do a part.
I got a couple of songs I'm gonna do for you, you know. Got a little buzz going on right now. And I just performed downtown, so I'm up here showing love to my community. Yes, man. Yeah, from the Garden State, Jersey. Yo, I respect those who rep the Empire State of Mind, but since she's in the garden, time to get sunshine. You know what I mean? Like I land on no turd. You do dirty sisters and dirty birds. So what's the word in Jersey? We know you bring your wife, watch some others to be quiet. Forever silent, getting a man from Jersey. Say we crazy, watch some other stories flow. For the DJ lazy, ain't that from Gagey? Remember Naughty Red? What came after that? They were 100 deep strap. The pushing weight back. Isn't that a blueprint? We don't get credit for that. That's a real hip hop. This is an actual fact. Some say the game is the same. It's I lead. I'm from the Garden State, so others here some seed. I'm from the Garden State. I'm from the Garden State. I'm from the Garden State. We playing them seeds all over the place. I'm from the Garden State. I'm from the Garden State. And they do close in. You people check, man. You in my movie like the Shining for you to escape. You're gonna have to put your time in. It gets deep like sword. Time to short that escape. Always something new while you're trying to escape. And that's not so great. So you won't escape. You try to scream, but your mouth is duct tape. Label me a judge. I be the execution of my lyrics. Set you up after they cut up your gun. Before they do, you have to guess what? And then they drain you until you die. My lyrics cut like human neckties. I'm a lyrical murderer that cuts until you die. I